You tired? Huh? Are you? Huh? Lil! Lily! It's okay, baby girl. It's okay. What the? It's me, Mario. And Luigi's back there being a butthole. I'm kidding. I'd rather be a Luigi than stupid Mario, the stupid wannabe plumber. Hey, Haley, what? Ah, your baby girl. Oh, yes, your baby girl. Oh, yes. Welcome back to Messin with the Baby Part 6. Yes. Smart sex is freaking awesome. Yes. Alright, let's go. I'm sorry, Haley. I really am. The angel fly away from here. Run! I really am. Dark times. Right here. Right. Yes. Yes. It's a dark night. Okay. Outside's so gorgeous, don't you think? That's not what that is. It's me. Hi. We're in the dungeon. The big, fat dungeon of girly things. Only sometimes it's a lot different than you think. Okay? Good to know. Okay, let's go. Oh, the baby girl. Oh, your baby. Oh, your baby. Meow, meow, meow. Tissue. What's the inside of a tissue look like? Let's see. It looks like candy. It smells like candy. And it tastes like candy. Right, candy? Right. Oh, your baby. Oh, your baby. Oh, yes, you're cute. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, yes, you are. Alright. Hi. Oh. Yay. Right. Let me know. Haley. And you guys are gonna have to watch Haley. Okay? Alright. Just gotta watch her, okay? Haley, she does a lot of things. Sometimes, try to get up. Is this gonna be in a good position? Nope. Move these and put it in there. There! You should be able to see her. Hi! I'm gonna make some chocolate milk. Okay? No, the viewers aren't there, Haley. You need to get back up. Haley. Oh my goodness, it's so cute, Haley. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh, yeah, baby girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I spelled good. How do I say that? So, hi. Haley, come here. a bone. He had like a big giant. Oh, there it is. She eats this stuff. Hiya, baby. Hi. Come here. Come here. Hold you. You're so hard to work with here. So hard to work with. I mean it. You are. This is messing with the puppy, but Handy, you're just so cute. The viewers can't stand you. Right? Right, baby. Yes. See, I know what you guys are thinking. How are you going to open chocolate milk? It's easy. I just use my right hand. Boom, done. Same thing with putting it back on, easy. I couldn't do that when I had I had the brace or splint, because of the way that I had to keep it in like a position. Now this is always in a position, so I'm not gonna do much. Hi. Hi. Really though? Bye. Oops. Bye. Hey. This is Messing with the Pug Part 6.
I don't want to be filmed.
Why?
Because I haven't done anything.
So? Haley! Oh, she's so cute. Look at Haley. Oh, your hair, baby girl. I just realized. What? I gotta drink my milk. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys down. I like support you guys on my arm. And you're looking at. That's so cute, Harry. Oh yeah. You want a treat? You want a treat? Okay. I'll get you a treat. What can I get you? Nah. You'll not through that instantly. What about this? Nope. Leaking. So this. Ah, crap. I'll set you guys down. Like, there should be. Yeah. Hi. What do you say? Good girl. Oh, yes, you're such a good girl. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. You're spoiled, but oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute, yes. Oh, yes. But you think my cast is a toy and you bite it. And you do that. Hey. Hey. It's zoomed in. Hey, it wasn't. Just making sure, Haley. You are in the most uncomfortable position ever. I say uncomfortable weird. It's like, I know it's comfortable. Like, you have the A that, like, you don't really pronounce it. But I do. Like, I add the A because it's, like, uncomfortable. It's able. Like you're able to be comforted. But if you have comfortable, it sounds right, but it doesn't for me. It's weird. Right, Haley? Oh, you're so cute. Hey. You don't have to be featured, but you can hold it. You never hold it. She never holds it. And plus, it's messing with the puppy, so you can do whatever you want. It's not on me. Hey, at least it gives me enough room so I can drink. That came out long. Hey. Hi. Excuse me.
Haley, baby girl, you're cute. And everybody loves you.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, I used to be able to do that more times. Who's your baby? Who's your baby girl? Howie! Right, there's your baby. Oh, yes. What the? What the? How'd you get that? Haley. Holy crap, you're a machine, but you're so cute. You're a cute machine. Oh, yes, you are. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, you are. Oh, you're a baby girl. Oh. No one cares about you guys anymore. I'm kidding. I'm gonna put you down a minute. No one cares. Wait, what the? Sit down when she gets up. Hi. I get up, she sits down. I don't understand. Do you? Huh? Do you? Do you? Oh god, that's nice. Haley! 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 Oh, your baby girl, come here. Oh, your baby girl, come here. Haley!
Haley.
Haley!
Haley, want a treat?
Oh, it's gonna be ear rape for a few people. Oops. Oops. I'm so loud. Yeah. Whoa! Wow! Yeah!
R.I.P. hit.
Yes. Hey, it's me. Just hanging out. I have a mustache, don't I? Right? It's gone. Of course I have a mustache. I have Fred. Kidding. Haley! Haley, baby! Oh God. Haley! Hey, your baby girl, your baby. Hey, your baby. Hey! Where's the baby girl? I wanna see it. Ah, baby! 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 Baby, come out! Ah! We're sneaking over the leather.
Go get socks.
Freaking.
My feet are cold.
Mine were too.
Ow.
Or I wake up cold. I go to sleep hot and then I wake up cold. God, my arm hurts. But that doesn't matter. What matters is Haley! Haley! Oh, cutie face of Haley girl. Cutie face of Haley! This is that one! Tell me you don't have to go out. What the f is that? What the frick is that?